This is a Unifix repair video for the HTC One M9. Step 1. Turn off your phone. If your screen is heavily damaged, apply clear tape to it. Remove your SIM card tray and your micro SD card tray. Using your triangle opening tool, pick away at the top. This will expose 2 Torx screws. Remove the 2 Torx screws. Use the triangle opening tool along the sides to release the rear case from the rest of the phone. In this step, we're going to remove the cables and the ZIF connectors that are connected from the phone to the motherboard. Please take your time with this step. Lift out the vibrating motor, and then we are going to remove 5 screws that hold the motherboard in place. use the spudger to get under the motherboard to pry it loose from any of the adhesive that might be holding it in place. Use a triangle opening tool to pry up the battery from the case. Remove the two screws that are holding the USB port in place. And then remove the speaker by using the spudger tool. Using your tweezers, remove the USB cover. And then remove the cable that's connected to the dock. Finally, remove the last screw that's holding the connector. Finally, remove the last screw holding on the dock. As you can see, your replacement dock has two ports where your original OEM dock has one. You're going to use your connector to connect to the lower left. You're going to connect your cable to the lower left dock. You're going to connect your cable to the lower left port. Put your place the USB cover back on and reinsert your speaker. Replace the screws that are holding the USB cover on. Replace the USB covering screws. Replace the USB cover screws. Reinsert the battery. Slide back in the motherboard in the same orientation it was before. Reinstall the screws in the same order that they were taken out. Carefully reconnect all the cables to the ZIF connector. Take your time doing this because if you damage any of them, it may affect the final performance of your phone. replace the back cover and apply light pressure around the edges. Next, replace the Torx screws in the top of the phone. Then, reapply the black top cover. Finally, remove the screen protector and turn on your phone.